Hello, children.
Hi.
Today, the kids are going to try Buckley's lozenges. They are Canadian cough drops, cherry flavored.
And we all have a cold, so lucky us.
Bite me cherry.
Flavored.
So,
I smell it.
everybody put them in your mouth at the same time.
2, 1.
Tastes like a mint and a little weird.
Tastes like nothing. Except for bland.
I see why it's not our.
Oh.
I see why it's not our cough drops.
It tastes like Vaseline smells.
Oh, so Maddie's going to try to chew it up to get to the liquid center.
Oh. Oh.
Does
It's
it
like mint.
does it burn? Is it hot?
It's
No.
minty and like it's cold. It's very, very cold.
It's disgusting.
Tastes like you're eating Vaseline. The smell of Vaseline.
Well,
I
How-
can't take it.
how is it compared to Vegemite or...
Vegemite
Sardines, Vegemite, Marmite, anything mixed, it's better. It's really
everything else we tried except are better than this, even the anchovies.
Oh, by the way, comment down below what where Marmite is made and where Vegemite is made. We want to see your knowledge.
So, so you recommend these for people who have a really bad cold?
No.
Yes, only if it's like hardcore and they can't breathe through coughing.
I'm gonna throw up.
And
No,
hopefully
you're
this will
not.
help Rowan because he's having a really heavy cough right now.
I already spit it out, is what I meant.
Well, I'm keeping it in my mouth.
I'm not.
All right. Bye, children.
Bye.